Hey guys, I'm back. It's Dana. Welcome to the show or the stream. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the button as well, so you don't miss any streams when I'm live. So, what's been going on is we're gonna be speaking about some things, some updates about what's been going on with Duquan and Terra and Luna and all that. And on top of that, we are gonna keep an eye on the monthly close and discuss what's going on around the chart of Bitcoin. And yeah, let's go ahead and start. We only have like 6 minutes left till a new monthly candle starts. So before that, we can see here daily waves is still up according to this site, but we can have a look at the chart soon. Yeah, nothing has changed here except for Luna. Luna is minus 16% right now. And yeah, it wasn't this slow like 2-3 hours ago when I was streaming then. But yeah, Kava up 9%, Cardano up 10%. Yeah, in general, like they're doing fine. Cardano and Kava and Stellar Luna. There was some news about it. I can read it later if you guys are interested. Yeah, so we will start with the charts as usual. Bitcoin chart, that is. So monthly is about to close in a very, very interesting area. We are above this trend line, which is crucial. But if you look at the volume of the monthly, this is not looking like a good thing right now. This is the lowest close since May 2021, a year ago. Since a year we haven't closed this low. So it's gonna be interesting to see this where we end up. Even though weekly we finally got a green candle, monthly is not looking so good right now. Still, we can still go up to like I mentioned earlier, 34, 35K, but monthly is not looking good, which still makes me feel like this is a bull trap. And yeah, I don't see any other way out of it. We will see where it goes. But we might get rejected here if we ever go back here. We might. For us to be bullish, it's gonna take a bit more than this for the chart to be bullish. I mean, for us to be in a bull season, and this is not it. And Ethereum, yeah, like neither one of them is looking good on the monthly candle. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum against Bitcoin is even worse. Like, this is bad. One hell of a bearish engulfing candle. So, just a minute left now, and we'll be opening a new monthly candle. Interesting times. Yeah, never mind these. They are drawn in a shorter time frame. That's why it's out of sync. Come on, 10 seconds left. Here we go. And the new monthly candle is born. Let me remove everything. We need a clean chart. Yeah, guys, it's interesting. Let me remove drawings. There we go. Yeah, negative keeps on building. Negative MACD. We started like at the low of this candle too. This is not looking so good. Let's see BTC USDT on Binance instead. Oh Lord. So many. Let me just remove some of these. There you go. Okay, yeah. How's the daily looking? Wow, wow, look at this. Look at this. Remember, guys, I told you we had to open around these areas for us to like see a bit more rally to the upside. And here it is. This parallel channel held nicely. So that bounce off was real. We might touch it one more time, possible. Again, the important thing is we don't break inside again. You see, guys, a lot of people think we could go down somewhere here, and it's the 200-day moving average around 2023 or something. And it is possible, but right now, we have to like follow what the trend is telling us. And on the daily, I said it like I think 10 times now. I said it a lot of times. As long as we are, now we did close around these areas above this channel, and now I can feel like Bitcoin is telling us she wants to go a bit more higher. It wants to go a bit more higher. The monthly candle, we gotta give it like at least a week or something, to see what happens. But I don't like this close at the lows. This is not so bullish. But daily, so far so good. I will go and check out the 4 hourly as well, just in a minute. Yeah, we've had this sideways action, and it looks like we don't want to go below this level right now. It looks pretty good. So far, so good. We did get rejected here. This is the long-term moving average. And we are not, let me just, there we go. We are not overbought anymore. So there is some space to the upside. As long as we're above this, we're cool. We stay above this parallel channel and we are fine. So I did want to discuss, we can get back to the charts at any time. If you have any requests or anything you'd like me to look at together, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified before I go on stream. So I've been following this Well, not following, but I've been keeping an eye now and then on this guy called, I think, Fat Man Terra, and something interesting, very, very interesting, just happened. Um, this guy, I did say, I think in like in the there was a stream I did where I spoke about the Luna situation and Terra situation. So just a moment. So what happened is this guy, Fat Man Terra, had a lot of claims and allegations about the Terra team and Duquan and things that he claims have happened behind closed doors and a lot of things. Now, I don't know if they are true or false. Like I said, for me, it's rumors until there is some type of evidence or proof to support those claims or allegations. But nevertheless, it's very interesting to see what's coming out. But until there is some type of proof, it's hard to it's hard to swallow everything that's out there. It's better to be sure, make sure of things. So every time I've been speaking about Luna, I've tried to give you facts, and I've already spoke about the claims and allegations, and more have come out. And you guys can follow him yourself if you're interested, or go on Twitter and try to read what's going on. His Twitter account name is FatManTerra. No underscore, no dot, no nothing, just FatManTerra. And he's kind of brought some things to light. So what's happened is this. CZ has been following those tweets that this man or girl, I don't know, uh, well, he calls himself Fat Man, so, and then again, it could just be a nickname, I don't know. Anyway, this person, Fat Man, got the attention of CZ, and CZ has seen his tweets, and CZ instructed his team to go and investigate those claims brought forward by Fat Man, by this person that's made those claims. And you can see it for yourself. It's on the Twitter. Here it is. I'm gonna try to. So this girl, Taylor Locke, she's a crypto reporter for Fortune magazine, and she used to work at CNBC Make It and Yahoo Finance as well. So she wrote on her Twitter that CZ has seen Fatman Terrace, this is the guy making those claims, that CZ has seen his tweets and that actually instructed his team to investigate the allegations brought forward by the account. And she's quoting CZ here. I said, if we can draw any conclusions, we should share that with law enforcement. To date, we cannot confirm or deny any of the allegations. And I'm thinking, CZ being a busy man, like if this thing has drawn his attention this much, something is not right. I don't think CZ has ever been engaged in any crypto chaos that has happened before this much. I know he's helpful and humble, and he's helped other projects, but he's never been this engaged. So this is the whole article. She had an interview with CZ about Binance support of Terra 2 after its massive collapse. You guys can read more about it here. CZ said Binance had to list the new Luna token but will ensure that users are warned thoroughly on the exchange before buying. Okay, we need to provide continuity of the liquidity even though it's not a brand new coin that we want to list. It's not an ideal situation. So even CZ didn't want to list it. That's what it sounds like. Just a moment, guys. I'm just gonna tweet this stream out. Forgot to do so in the beginning. Yeah, a lot of things happening around Luna, a lot. Bear with me, guys. I'm still here. Yeah, a lot going on around Luna, a lot. It's crazy. There we go. Okay. So she continues to say CZ said he was very surprised when reports came out saying Do Kwon was behind Bezos' cash. I think a lot of people were surprised here, but was even more surprised that his team didn't know. Well, nobody knew because he was trying to hide it. That was the whole point. He didn't want anybody to know. Anonymous founders are common in crypto, and that's not necessarily a bad thing, but CZ notes Binance should do better with due diligence. I think I think CZ means that he would probably have never listed Luna Classic at the first place if he had known that Do Kwon was behind another failed project like Basis Cash. And she continues to say, and for the record, well, she's quoting CZ here, and for the record, I've never spoken to Do Kwon directly, CZ said, not in 2018 when Binance invested in TFL. TFL is Terra Foundation Lab, and not recently. So CZ has never had a direct contact with Do Kwon. Okay. Do try to speak with CZ directly a few times. CZ said, but I didn't want to start a separate channel where I have to personally manage him. And it's very understandable. CZ he's a very busy man. He can't, like, Binance is growing the way it is for a reason. So I can imagine he doesn't have time to, like, speak one-on-one and I don't know, all that. The fact that he was trying to give them a helping hand, I think was a big thing, was a big deal from CZ's part. Then the end, she said CZ has seen Fat Mantera's tweets and actually instructed his team to investigate the allegations brought forward by the account. And that's not a little thing. It means this guy, even though so far there are claims, there could be some truth to it somewhere. Because, I'm not saying about everything he's saying, but some things. These allegations, these claims are very, very strong claims. They're nothing to play with. I personally think that Do or somebody from the Terra team should take the time to set things, straight for their sake, for the, you know, investors' sake. Look at this. Look at this, for example. This is a tweet from him, and he's just summarizing a lot of tweets that he made recently, like past day. He states in summary, Terra VIPs like Stable Kwan and Stable Chen have created the perfect staking island for themselves, where they have been earning jaw-dropping farming rewards un unencumbered via insider trading, tokenomics adjustments, and barriers to entry. It's been 3 whole weeks. Yeah, yeah. Let me explain why it's so important to know who was aware about the chain halt and the cessation of the market module before it happened. This is crucial. It's a brief, non-technical overview that will give you some important context into another potential scam. I mean, he does have a point in some things he's saying. I mean, that's logical. He's talking about transparency here, and yeah, transparency is the way to go. I mean, you can't buy credibility. You can't. It's only built, and you only build it doing the right things, taking the right steps, without stepping on other people. So I don't know why Terra team or Duquan is not addressing this, why they're not trying to set things straight, because I can imagine a lot of investors being like raging right now when they see all this. Hopefully, everybody just doesn't believe everything that's written, because as long as they're like, I'm not saying what Duquan did was right. He's in the wrong, very, very wrong. He has a lot of things to be accountable for, but until there are some kind of proof or evidence, it's very hard to accept it. Just because somebody says the sky is red, you can't believe it. I mean, you have to you have to go and see for yourself first. And unless there's, proof, evidence backing this up, people should be aware, but also wait for some kind of. It's good to read, it's good to be aware, it's good, not to hide under a stone and miss things, but make sure, make sure that the things being said here are true. Like, wait for some proof, wait for some evidence. Now, CZ investing, CZ wanting to investigate this is good. Hopefully, that will bring a lot of clarity for other people affected by this. Yeah, but you guys can go in and read for yourself and see what's going on. I think this is good actually. Yeah, Binance is participating in the airdrop too. So people who have their Luna C on Binance will be getting the airdrop automatically. This is what CZ thinks about the collapse of Luna and the rebirth of Terra. Fortune, with the rebirth of Terra, they ask him this question. With the rebirth of Terra, a lot of people are concerned, thinking that it's irresponsible or hurtful for Binance to support this new chain, especially after everything that happened. What are your thoughts on that? And CZ replies, I think overall the whole situation is a disaster. It's not good for anybody. It hurt a lot of users, a lot of value disappeared. I believe fundamentally there were design mistakes in the design of UST, Terra, etc., etc. Yeah, yeah. Looks like CZ has a general view, just like most of the community, I mean the retail investors do. So yeah, that's what's going on with the new news I have for you about Terra, and I think this is a big deal. The fact that he asked his team to investigate those claims this person is making, it's a big thing. I mean, a lot of eyes are already on TFL and Duquan. A lot of eyes from from lawyers and the Korean police and all that. So now they have more eyes on them. And until they are transparent about a lot of things, this is not gonna get like better. This is bad for New Luna too as well. I mean, all this FUD is not gonna bring something good with it. It's not like the FUD of Luna Classic is over and now they have this. Feels like the problems just continue and continue and continue. Anyway, let's see if Luna's still being burned. That's another interesting thing we can have a look at. So many people said that they had difficulty finding the address and they couldn't see, and I was one of them. Then I found out that you actually have to go up here and change from mainnet to classic. Only then will you see the address. So Luna's still being burned, as you can see. Just a moment, guys. I'll be right back. 2 minutes. And I'm back, guys. So, Luna's still being burned. The hope is there for all those people who want a burn. As you can see, the last burn was at just like 10 minutes ago. Around 10 minutes ago, somebody burned a million USDC. Anything you send to this address, you can send USD, you can send USDC, Luna, whatever you send, it automatically is burned. So around an hour ago, somebody burned 12,655,572 Luna Classic. And this is not little. This is not a little amount. 12 million just around an hour ago. A few hours ago, somebody else. People are still burning exchanges also. Do not forget that Turkish exchange MEXC, they're also burning. So this could be very well. This could be them. I don't know. I think you could see that information somewhere in their site, but this could be them. Then we have another one here, 3 million. 3 million again. I mean, people, some exchanges, whoever, they are still burning. Luna Classic is still being burnt. I bet Duquan is shocked about this. 16 million Luna Classic burnt here. I bet Duquan is shocked about this because I don't think he thought that people would like burn their own coins. But if there's a will, there's a way. And the retail investors really do have a will. And they're making a way. So, back to Bitcoin and the market. I already did say that I'm kind of chilling right now because so far how we've read the chart is kind of playing out. I did say as long as we close above this channel, we're fine. And that's what's going on. Luna Classic on the daily, no, sorry, for hourly. I just hate the fact that they erased, and this gap right here confuses, but it kind of destroyed the chart. Hard to do anything. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Nice. Do you guys realize that there's some kind of link between what happened to Luna, that massive collapse, and how it affected the Bitcoin dominance? I mean, I'm not like doing any analysis now. I'm just talking basically out of logic. That collapse happened around these dates. I don't know when exactly, but let's say these dates. After the stuff people went through because of the collapse, a lot of people probably turned into Bitcoin maxis. So Bitcoin dominance, money went out from the altcoins and it flew into Bitcoin, into the Bitcoin market. Simple as that. But we are looking good. Bitcoin dominance is looking good right now. Wow. Okay. But dominance is looking good right now. Safe to say money is flowing out from the altcoins into Bitcoin. This is the total crypto market cap. Gone are the days when we had a market cap of $3 trillion. Now we're sitting around 1.2, 1.3 trillion. And DeFi. Yeah, not looking so good. But Bitcoin made it. It's still outside this channel. Looks like the relief rally continues. But that's what it is, a relief rally. So I'm sticking to my opinion that I'm I'm like leaning more towards this is a bull trap. I'm still leaning towards this is a bull trap. Therefore, we have this relief rally. So people should be like careful. But this kind of gave me some confidence that, yeah, we might go to the upside before anything else. I'm only gonna change that view if we break below this line here and we're back in this inside this channel. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that, yeah, Bitcoin broke out and that's it, and yeah, we're going high and we're going all the way up. Nah, we have levels to break, level by level, and yesterday we were stuck here, and I said we have to have a 4 hourly close at least above the 38.2. Now that we did that and we tested this as support, it's around this area, you see. Now we can say, yeah, okay, we're good. I usually do not like follow altcoin, what do you call, like all these rumors and stuff. The thing is, what happened with Luna has never ever happened in the history of crypto in the way it happened. So, of course, it's interesting to like follow and know what's going on. But I do feel very, very sad for anybody affected by this. I'm pretty sure Duquan could have handled the situation much better. And the first step he could have taken, that could have been like saving a lot of losses and a lot of like lives, is probably he should have probably like contacted the exchanges and like tell them to halt all the trading so that people wouldn't be able to buy. But I've seen a lot of tweets that he made also around these times where he was kind of like he was not telling people to like hold on and wait, like don't trade, don't do anything right now, we're gonna hold the chain and everything. Instead, in some way, he was kind of encouraging people to like like keep on buying, or I don't know, but he was making people safe in some type of way with the words and tweets and I don't know what. So people kept on buying, and I never understood why. I think CZ Binance is the only one that actually stopped the trading, and he did come out and explain that that was for the user's sake, and I understand that because he would only be losing, making money on trading fees by stopping the trades on Luna and so on. But he didn't care about the money then. He cared about the users and he showed it, which is very, very, like you can't do anything but respect that. I mean, Duquan, like, I don't know if he can see that he's divided the community, the way he's handled things. And as a leader, you should make sure that your community like feels united and not divided. And I don't think this is a good thing for the look of Terra or Luna or anything that has to do with anything Duquan does. So guys, I'm probably gonna be here for around 10 minutes more. If there is nothing else, I'll be coming back tomorrow with a new stream. And Bitcoin is probably gonna be hanging around, I don't know, somewhere here. But I don't expect it to, not today, I don't expect it to, we're not, I don't know, looks good. So I don't expect us to go to the downside, but you never know. The market does what it does. No single person can ever control it. And we can't, like be sure of what's gonna happen next. We can't like predict. Sometimes I joke and I go like as predicted and stuff, but we can't predict. We can just like minimize our risks and try to see like what the chances are, which way, like what chances there is of it going higher, if the chances are greater to that side or the opposite, and minimize our risks in that way. And right now, Bitcoin, as I said, as long as we're above this line here and not back in this range, and daily closed nowhere close to this line now. We've already tested it once. On the 4 hour, it's almost like a perfect retest. You can see it. on the daily too. And Ethereum, we're still holding above 1,917. Sorry guys. I mean, when we were testing to break out here, and we didn't, and then when we did at last, we got a nice candle. But then this moving average has acted as this is the midterm. It's acted as resistance. Yeah, I have a lot of ways to read charts. I'm probably gonna maybe later because I really do not have all the time now. I'm doing this to share knowledge, and it's always, better to share knowledge with like-minded people, and hopefully I learn a thing or two also from others. You never know. But I might, I don't know, I might make a Patreon and like go in details about how I analyze and details about the cloud on these moving averages and a lot of things. There's a lot of things in trading, but I don't have the time now. But it's in my thoughts. So soon, but I don't know when. Somebody asked me yesterday if I had a group, a Telegram group or something. I don't. This is a one girl show right now, so I've never felt like I have my own circle of people, and we discuss and whatnot, but I know a lot of people would like me to create a group, but we will see. I'll think about what is the best way and stuff, and I'll have to make it worth your time and my time as well. So we will see soon. But so far, free education on YouTube, it's not bad. Free education, free entertainment, call it what you want. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my own opinions, and yeah, I've been doing technical analysis for a while. So there are always, and I've learned only from like analysts you should be learning from. So what I'm doing is like all these I'm gonna try to to create a group and all that, but so maybe you guys can just have everything in one place instead of like spending hours and hours and years and years and years like to find things, tools that actually help. But we'll get to that in time. So guys, Bitcoin at 31.9. Yeah, I wonder coin market cap. BNB. Wow, Solana down 2%, down 6%. We can have a look at Solana. Solana. Okay. So, Solana. Let's start with the monthly since we have a new monthly candle. And it's looking bad, bad. Wow. Wow. If we break this, there's nothing holding us until these prices. Mm-hmm. We are not oversold, not on the weekly, not on the daily, not on the monthly. This is not nice. We're going lower. I don't even have to. I think we're going. I think it wants to go lower. I think Solana, do you want to go lower? Yeah. Hmm. I mean, we are trying to hold the short-term moving average by a thread, by a thread. Can we go higher on the daily? Yes, but no further than probably between 48 to 49. We have some kind of resistance here. If you see this line, you can just draw it like this. Yeah, so that's why we probably started. People maybe took some profit here, but monthly is looking ugly in Solana. I mean, wow. Okay, what else? Jesus Lord, Bitcoin Cash. It's been a while. XLM. We can have a look at XLM and so on tomorrow. I'm gonna analyze it before the stream, but tomorrow I'm gonna put this in my memory. Chainlink, Monero, Ethereum Classic. It was a long time I saw a lot of things about Ethereum Classic, and then it started showing up again when people were comparing this so-called not fork of Luna, because Mr. Duquan went from it's a fork to it's not a fork. Anyway, people were comparing it to Ethereum Classic. I don't even know where the connection is. I don't see the connection there, but anyway, we had a look at Atom earlier. Oh yeah, let's see what happened with waves. Did we get that pullback? And what happened? Because, yeah, I said on yesterday's stream we were probably gonna have a pullback, but we were here. yesterday when I said that, and we did have a pullback. Like we went as high as 10.7. Yeah, we were somewhere here when I said like a rebound is, I mean, not a rebound, a reversal is due. And then we went all the way to 7.8. Yeah, and now we're in this range. Wow. Classic Luna, up like 10%. Had it been at around $40, that would have been awesome. $50, great, but 10% where it's at is like, I'm sorry, like there's no point really at looking at this chart right now with everything going on. I'm just doing it because I know a lot of people are eyeing Luna C and Luna 2. Yeah, I saw a lot of jokes about Luna 1, Luna 2, Luna 3. Hopefully that's not the case. But in other words, that kind of already happened. See it as Basis Cash is Luna 1, and Luna C was Luna 2, and Luna 2 is Luna 3. It's crazy. This is what makes the crypto like crypto space risky because and scary. Like imagine investors that, I mean, people that never invested in crypto hearing this kind of stuff. Why would they wanna get close to crypto? Just like the circle of life in Lion King, this is the circle of crypto. It's just the way it is. Anyway, guys, I think we've gone through most things. Monthly close, what was the important part of the stream? We can have a look at the 3-day chart. Looking nice. 3-day chart. I haven't seen it in a few days. It's looking very nice. But it doesn't mean I'm bullish. I just know and understand that I think, my opinion, this is a relief rally. But we are in a bear trend. We are still in a bear trend. But it doesn't mean you can't trade the bear trend either. So it's just about having the right setup. For now, we're safe. As long as we don't get back under this line, back into the channel, we are okay. Short term, we are okay. And then we'll take it level by level, the way it should be taken, or the way it should be handled. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me again. Um, Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe and hit the bell button. Let me know what you think. If you think we are in a bear trend or bull trend, and your thoughts, on the market, just comment and let me share your opinions. And take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.